The first beat will be Newtonian style. And to keep us all from getting dumber, I'm going to give you a physics lesson and explain what this formula means. F is force, how hard you push or pull an object. M is mass, the weight and heaviness of the object itself. A is acceleration, how fast the object picks up speed. The bottom line is, the heavier an object is, the more force you need to make it move or stop. Through gross beat, EQ, and kickstart on the master. And this is what we got. Now for the drums. Let's start with the kick. Adding some perks now. Here's how it all sounds together. Time to throw in a proper funk acapella.
As sombras dançam, sente a vibe. Ritmo macabro por instinto e drive. Bota, 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 bota.
Here's the final mix.
Mão pro alto, joga lá embaixo. No ritmo caótico eu te encaixo. Sangue frio na veia correndo. O baile da sombra tá te envolvendo. As sombras dançam, sente a vibe. Bota, bota, bota. Ritmo macabro por instinto e drive. Bota, bota.
The next beat won't be as complicated, so I'm using a quantum mechanics formula. Making this, I realized it's the absolute weirdest thing I've ever done in my life. At the same time, here's a quick lesson in quantum mechanics. The formula describes how quantum objects behave over time. You can't actually know for sure where quantum particles are. An electron, for example, doesn't fly in a straight line. It flies in all directions at once, like a mist or a wave. Schrödinger's equation calculates the probability of finding an electron in a specific spot if we decide to look at it. So, if we tried to play pool with electrons, we'd lose. This is what we ended up with. Next up, the drums. Let's drop the kick first. Now for some perk. Throwing in more perks to keep it interesting. Adding a chant to make it bounce. And lastly, the hi-hats. Now we need some bass, and I'm just gonna use a stock sub plugin. ChatGPT said the bass note is G. Threw on kickstart to sidechain it with the kick, and here's how it sounds. I switched up the sound in Serum to make the melody blend better. To get this sound, I slapped gross beat, Valhalla, and kickstart on the master. The beat has a reggaeton vibe, so I chopped up a female acapella that fits perfectly. The last beat will be Einstein style. Found a piano sound in Serum. Now, Einstein's formula breaks down like this. E is energy, the amount of energy in an object. M is mass, the object's mass. C is the speed of light squared. The main idea here is that energy and mass are actually the same thing, just in different states. That's why energy can turn into a rock, and a rock can turn into energy. It sounds like trash. Gross beat is gonna fix it real quick. Also threw on an EQ to cut the lows, plus Valhalla, and of course, kickstart. As a result, Einstein sounds like this. Time for the drums. Let's add some perks. Threw in a chant to give it some bounce, and it goes like this. Now I'm gonna cook up a basic respace in Serum. put kickstart on it, and it turned out like this. Now, it's time for that funk a cappella. Here's the final result.